Guys, away sa ta guys. Video kapoy, nang-spray ko guys. Samtang mo pahuway guys. Antahan mo guys. Walay duyog, kaya ako dalag isang cellphone guys. Kantahan mo. Kato lang, kabisado na ko ang kanta guys. Ito pang kanta na ko sa una guys, masuan. Lover's Moon. Kanto lang guys, kabisado na ko to. Ubang kanta ko guys, kabalo ko makanta sa uban pero medyo din ako kabisado. Kaya mahimo guys. Kanara yung kabisado atong kantahan guys. What's up guys? What's up guys? Kanta ko. There's a lover's moon tonight. As I look back over my shoulder, all the stars are shining bright, just like the night when I used to hold her. She's out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Lover's moon will shine on me. I'm dancing with a memory. I wish I might have one last chance to hold her tight. Waiting, I know she's waiting. I know she wait for me under the lover's moon. There's a lover's moon tonight, shining down on half on this world. So many souls are in its light, but for me there's just one girl and she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Under the lover's moon. Thank you for watching guys. Shout out sa akong mga solid followers throughout Philippines. Kaya lang guys.